thank you Elder Gacheri na Gikuyu Elder etagwo atia tandirikaniai o ne muthuri wa kiama ti wa kiama na njireo no ni wa kiama tondu mundu ekuthurwa uguo athuritwe ni wetikirwa as an elder in the community. Ni wega muno ni gutumi ugakinya to all these ones who are holding waheshimiwa who are holding positions. Ndamurora uguo ndirona ta turutire wira na njira njega na Jane ni ndakena Jane Kihara tondu wi guku na Jane Gituko nakie guku munyitane andu a Dabibi ni marabatara uteithio wanyu. Bichi hau ya Naivasha irenda guthie atumia aya ni wa mama wa nguvu wakisema itafanyika huko kwao na twi thutha wanyu na nituguteithania ari othe mwina thina kuria guothe mwina thina we will stand with you. I don't want to go on and on. Gwiraga my brother itaikarite thi ati twaikara thi. If the press wants a further briefing, because this is like a press briefing, we will provide, but I think we've already done it. I would want us, as we end, to give an opportunity. Ati ungekorwo umire na Ikuru na ni urenda kuhurwo mbica na His Excellency nani. Ukiwa Facebook na mitandao no cietereire we. We should have a brief moment, but in a very orderly manner, so the MC will have to be very strict. 1 minute, and we can have many photo ops. Nigumukiuma aba mundu athia thondeke Facebook yake, akorwo we wa Twitter wenda gucenjia profile picture, akorwo we on WhatsApp uthondeke wega maundu meke atia magire. Iyo ni riu our new word of mouth. Andu memenye bururi ni riera nirikiri atia niricenjirie. Asanteni sana, mbarikiwe.